Well, here's a little update to our coop. We haven't done anything inside yet. We still need to add nesting boxes, but our chickens aren't laying yet. But today we expanded their enclosure. We got this welded fence from a friend who didn't need it anymore, and so we were able to take the panels that were on the top and use them to make the enclosure bigger, and then put the fencing on top to replace those panels. So I think it's probably about 3 times larger. I could probably figure out the square footage and see exactly how much larger, but it's quite a bit. See the dirt spot here all down the middle? That's the original enclosure. So it's almost the same width, wider on this side, and then quite a bit more on this side as well. And then this larger area down here where we were able to make it longer. And then yeah, it's a little patchy, but it works. And then we've got these poles. We had a hanging hammock tent tripod thing in our yard when we moved in, and we took it apart when we first moved in, but we kept all the materials, so we were able to use the legs for the tripod as supports for the top. So at some point I think we are going to use the plastic from our patios as the roof, as the top, because the hailstorm put holes in our plastic. So we'll replace those at some point, and we'll just use the old ones for the chickens. So anyway, that's that. I guess another thing we did add since the last video is an automatic chicken door from Run Chicken. It's between this one and the omelet, and this one was able to get here faster before we went out for the weekend. So this is the one we went with. It also advertises a better battery life than the omelet, and its batteries are included if you care for that. The omelet does not include batteries. It's worked very well. It opens early enough and closes late enough for the chickens, and yeah, I'm happy with it. I guess I'll let you know if anything goes wrong, but I don't expect it to. It's one of the best ones. Comes most recommended from everyone.